Should I buy or sell SPY? The report for SPY was first published on our website Wednesday, March 8, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 8, 2023, our system ranks SPY as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.454. In the period the stock had natural movements but currently sit with a loss of 0% since we first recommended hold/accumulate. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, "Stronger technical forecast for SPY ETF price after Wednesday trading." The SPY ETF price gained 0.163% on the last trading day, Wednesday, March 8, 2023, rising from $398.27 to $398.92. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 0.787% from a day low at $396.59 to a day high of $399.71. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.1% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -33 million shares, and in total, 74 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $29.38 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $462.07, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 13.67%, or $63.15, below 52-week high, and 16.89%, or $81.06, below all-time high January 4, 2022, where the price hit $479.98. The ETF lies in the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $394.17 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 5.45% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 4.2% and 12.44%. The 12-month trend indicates a -7.93% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -20.99% and -4.56%. This equals a price between $315.17 and $380.72 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, March 1, 2023, and so far it has risen 1.06%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The ETF should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The SPY ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $399.24 and $403.64. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $398.27, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $3.12 between high and low, or 0.787%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.28%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $401.60. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $398.27, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $376.81, minus 5.54%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is SPY ETF a buy? SPY holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Thursday 9th, we expect SPY to open down $0.513 and start trading at $398.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember